Have you ever woken up from a dream and felt like it actually happened? Your heart is racing. Your body feels strange. And for a few seconds, you were not sure what was real. But your eyes were closed. Your body was still. So why did the dream feel like reality? A dream can feel like a real place. You can stand inside a room, walk through a door, hear sounds, and feel emotions. Even if that place does not exist, your brain can make it feel completely normal while you are inside it. The strange part is this. When you dream, your real eyes are closed. You are not seeing your room. You are not watching the outside world. But your brain still creates pictures, sounds, movement, and places from the inside. In a dream, your brain becomes the screen. It does not need your eyes to show you images. It builds the scene by itself. That is why dreams can look real, even when nothing is actually in front of you. Your dreams are often built from memory pieces. A place you visited years ago, a face you saw yesterday, a fear you ignored, a random thought from the day. Your brain mixes these pieces together and turns them into a new story. But dreams are not only memories. Your brain also fills the missing parts. If something does not make sense, your mind invents an answer. That is why dreams can be weird, but still feel believable while you are inside them. The biggest reason dreams feel real is emotion. The dream story may be fake, but the feeling is real. If you feel fear, your brain reacts. If you feel happiness, your brain reacts. The emotion makes the dream feel powerful. This is why scary dreams feel so intense. Your brain creates danger even when you are safe in bed. Your heartbeat can change. Your breathing can become faster. You wake up scared because your brain treated the dream like a real event. When you are awake, your logical brain checks everything. It asks, does this make sense? But during dreams, that logic becomes weaker. That is why impossible things can happen, and you still accept them. In dreams, the world has different rules. A door can lead to the sky. Time can jump. People can change. Places can shift. And while it happens, your brain still tries to make it feel normal. Your body can react to dreams. Your heart may beat faster. Your breathing may change. You may wake up sweating. Even though the dream is not real outside, your body can respond like it is happening. Many vivid dreams happen during REM sleep. In this stage, your brain becomes very active. Your eyes move under your eyelids. Your body stays mostly still. But inside your mind, the dream can feel alive.
During strong dreams, your brain is not silent. Some parts become surprisingly active. This activity helps create scenes, emotions, and movement. That active brain makes the dream feel detailed and real.
Inside the dream, you feel like you are still you. You have a body. You have a point of view. You can move, speak, and react. But that version of you is a dream self, created by your brain. People in dreams can feel real too. Sometimes they are people you know. Sometimes they feel familiar, but you cannot recognize them. Your brain can combine faces, voices, and emotions to create dream people. While you are dreaming, your brain often enters belief mode. You do not question the dream. You do not stop and say, this is impossible. You simply experience it. That belief makes the dream feel even more real. Then you wake up. The dream breaks. Your room returns. Your real body comes back into focus. For a few seconds, you may still feel the dream, until your brain realizes it was not real. Most dreams fade quickly after waking. You may remember the feeling, but forget the details. A face disappears. A place disappears. The story slips away because dreams are not stored like normal memories. So dreams feel real because your brain creates images, emotions, movement, people, and belief all at the same time. Your eyes are closed, but your mind is active. The dream is not real outside you, but inside your brain, it can feel completely real. Every night, your brain becomes a world builder. It creates a place only you can enter. And sometimes, that place feels so real, You wake up wondering if it was only a dream. Subscribe to RAIVO Explains for more strange explanations about your brain, dreams, sleep, and the hidden side of human life.